If you're looking for a new townhome in a location with easy access to major commuter routes and plenty of shopping, entertainment, and dining options, let me introduce you to Cannon Run.
This community offers a little bit of everything. Located near great schools and near commuter routes like I-485 and I-85. Plus, beautiful new 2-story townhomes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet, and a 1-car garage. And the best part about building new? The ability to personalize your home from the cabinets to the flooring, countertops, and more. Plus, your new home will have a modern design and open layouts you've always wanted. And there's plenty of space for everyone. Your new home will be in a convenient location close to Concord Mills and a quick drive to Charlotte, Huntersville, and Concord. Head over to Christenberry Corners or Afton Ridge for all your everyday conveniences. Looking for activities everyone can enjoy? Join the Rowan Cabarrus YMCA for fitness, swimming, sports, and more. And getting the kids to school will be a breeze with schools less than 4 miles away.
If you're picturing your life here and want to learn more, schedule a personalized visit to tour the decorated model and see this community in person. We look forward to welcoming you home.